Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Agoda. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in agoda.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Agoda website where you can log into your account if you haven't already by clicking on the sign in button and entering your credentials. Now, once you are logged into your account, in order to change your name, simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile. This will then take you into the profile menu where you will be taken and shown your user details. Now underneath your name, you will find the edit button at the side, so simply click on it and you will be allowed to edit your first and your last name. So simply make your desired changes and click on the Save button and your name will successfully be changed on Agoda. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on Agoda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.